What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 online as a beginner. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So $1,000 online as a beginner and with hardly any skills. How are you going to do this? Well, it's called low content book publishing or no content book publishing. So let's go over to Amazon, because Amazon is where you can do this. All you have to do is get an Amazon KDP account, which you can do completely for free. And when you've created these types of books, and I'm going to show you what that is in a second, you can upload them to Amazon completely free as well. And then every time your book sells, Amazon's going to print it on demand and just send you royalties at the end of every month. Now, one of these books, here's an example, and it is simple as a sketchbook. So a sketchbook is basically blank paper. So you would create the interior. Now all this is a PDF, and these are really easy to create. Now if you don't want to create it yourself, you can actually use free tools to do so, like Google Slides or even Canva. But if you don't want to do that, if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you a place where you can get one completely for free. So let's take a look at the inside. Now with this sketchbook, what they've done is put a line up the top, because you can't actually have completely lined paper within the book because Amazon doesn't like that. But as you can see, how easy would this be to create? It's just pages with a line on it. Now you can number it as well or put a border, but they're really simple to create. Now if we go to the front, because you have to create the cover as well. Now you can do this again using free tools within Canva. This whole business of low content and no content book publishing can be done completely for free, and you can make royalties passively each and every day once they start selling. But this sketchbooks are really easy to create. You can also do other books like lined journals, notebooks, planners. There's so many ideas when it comes to this style of publishing. So do you think you could create something like this? I bet you can. Now here's my results, because this is what I do myself. I publish low and no content books every single day, and these are my results for this month so far. So from the 1st till the 27th, I've made $1,220 completely passive in royalties, which Amazon will send directly to my bank account at the end of every month. Now if this is something that you're interested in, then I do actually have a course which lays out step by step everything that I did to create over $1,000 book income within 3 months. Now you can get there by going to the link in the description down below, or you can get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So if you want a passive business which you can earn royalties each and every month, go and check it out. Now if you haven't got the funds and you just want to get your feet wet and test the waters, then come and join the Stackers Inner Circle. There is a link down in the description below as well, and within here, if you go to the file section, once you're a member, you can get a sketchbook interior. Let's scroll down. You can get a sketchbook, a college ruled lined paper notebook, and just a normal lined notebook here completely for free. And then if you go to the video section and then go to this video here, this will show you how to create a cover as well completely for free. Now this video is actually from the Printing Profits course. I decided to put it in here a few months back just to help a few people out. Now if you have any questions about this business model, then drop a comment down below. You can also check out more videos over on the channel. I think I now have over 100 videos dedicated just to publishing low content books. Now I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.